A smart furniture layout helps maximize available space, reduce clutter, and create a sense of balance. Arranging furniture in a tiny bedroom is more than just placing items where they fit. It's about creating a space that feels open, comfortable, and functional despite its limited size. So today's video is about furniture arrangements in small bedrooms. Friends, in small bedrooms, every piece of furniture should serve a purpose and ideally more than one. Choosing multifunctional furniture is key. For instance, a bed with built-in storage drawers can eliminate the need for a bulky dresser. An ottoman that doubles as storage or a wall-mounted foldable desk can help save precious floor space. Using vertical space is equally important. Tall bookshelves, hanging shelves, and wall-mounted nightstands can free up room on the floor while still offering essential storage. Friends, placing the bed against a wall or in a corner opens up the rest of the room and allows for more efficient use of space. It also creates room for small side tables or a desk if needed. Avoid crowding the room with too many large furniture pieces. Focus on essentials such as the bed, a compact wardrobe, and one or two storage options. Oversized furniture can make the room feel cramped and claustrophobic. Friends, mirrors can play a magical role in tiny bedrooms. Strategically placed, they reflect light and give the illusion of more space. When combined with light colored walls and furniture, mirrors can make a small room feel airy and open. Friends, floating furniture like shelves or nightstands can add functionality without taking up floor space. Rugs can also help define different zones in the room, especially when placed under the bed and extending outward. Finally, keeping the room tidy is essential. Use underbed storage, baskets or boxes to organize personal items and keep surface clean. Friends, in addition to choosing multifunctional furniture, it is helpful to scale your furniture to match the room size. Oversized beds or wardrobes can overpower a small room, so option for compact designs. For example, a platform bed without a headboard can save space and maintain a clean, minimal look. If you do want a headboard, consider a wall-mounted one to save floor space. Friends, create zones within the room, especially if the space needs to serve multiple functions like a sleeping area, workspace, or dressing corner. You can do this visually by using rugs, lighting, or even a curtain divider to section off different parts of the room. A small vanity table can double as a desk, especially when placed near natural light from a window. Friends, use sliding doors instead of swinging ones where possible. Sliding wardrobe doors or even a pocket bedroom door can free up extra room that would normally be needed for door clearance. This is particularly effective in rooms where space is tight and every inch counts. Consider custom of built-in furniture to make the most of awkward nooks or corner. A custom built wardrobe that fits perfectly around a bed or a corner desk that fit singly into a tight space can add functionality without crowding the room. Even a window bench with hidden storage can serve as a break, can serve as a reading node and a storage solution in one. Friends, keep walkways clear by leaving at least 20 to 40 inches of space around major furniture pieces like the bed. This ensures comfortable movement and makes the room feel less cramped. Avoid placing furniture directly in front of windows to allow natural light to flow through the space. It helps make room feel larger and more open. Lastly, decorative vertically hang artwork lights or even plants at different height on the walls to draw the eye upward. This creates a feeling of height and depth. With these additives, your tiny bedroom can become a well organized, functional, and beautiful space. Proof that small does not have to mean limiting.